Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that the machine learning industry is expected to grow by over 40% in the next few years? That's absolutely crazy. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior with just a few lines of code. Sounds cool, right? Today, we're diving into 5 machine learning projects that every data scientist should tackle in 2024 to stay ahead of the curve. So, why are these projects so important? Well, machine learning is evolving at lightning speed, and hands-on experience is key for enhancing your skills and boosting your career prospects. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, getting your hands dirty with practical projects can make a world of difference. Let's explore how these projects can help shape your journey in the data science field. Now, here's the challenge many data scientists face: staying relevant in an industry that's constantly changing. New technologies and methodologies are popping up all the time, and it can be tough to keep up. If you don't engage with these advancements, you risk falling behind. So, how do you ensure you're on top of your game? The answer lies in taking on practical projects that not only challenge you but also enhance your understanding of the latest trends in machine learning. Alright, let's get into the meat of the video. Here are 5 machine learning projects you should consider for 2024. First up, we have a recommendation system. These are widely used in e-commerce and streaming services. Building one helps you learn about collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and evaluating model performance. Next, try your hand at image classification. This project will help you understand convolutional neural networks and transfer learning, which are super hot topics right now. Third, consider developing a chatbot using natural language processing. This will deepen your understanding of NLP techniques and how to build conversational interfaces. Fourth on the list is time series forecasting. This is crucial for predicting trends in finance and sales, and it'll teach you about recurrent neural networks and ARIMA models. Finally, let's not forget about anomaly detection. This project is essential for applications like fraud detection and network security, and it will introduce you to unsupervised learning techniques. Each of these projects not only builds your skill set but also has real-world applications that can impress potential employers. Now, if I had to highlight one project that really stands out, it would be the recommendation system. Why? Because it's not just a trendy topic, it's a vital component of many successful businesses today. Imagine being able to create a system that personalizes user experiences and boosts sales. It's a fantastic addition to your portfolio and showcases your ability to work with real-world data and complex algorithms. To wrap things up, let's quickly summarize what we've covered. We discussed the importance of staying relevant as a data scientist and explored 5 key machine learning projects that can enhance your skills and career prospects. Whether it's building a recommendation system or diving into NLP with chatbots, these projects can significantly impact your professional journey in 2024 and beyond. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What machine learning projects are you excited to work on? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of machine learning. Also, check out my other videos where I dive deeper into specific techniques and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.